The benefits of home gardening. Why you should start today. Home gardening is a wonderful way to connect with nature and reap the many benefits that come along with it. In this video, we will explore the numerous advantages of home gardening and why you should consider starting your own garden today. First and foremost, home gardening allows you to grow your own fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs right in your backyard. This means you have easy access to nutritious and delicious produce that you can enjoy with your family and friends. Additionally, home gardening is a great way to save money on groceries, as you can avoid buying expensive produce at the supermarket. Home gardening also has numerous health benefits. Not only does gardening provide physical exercise, but it can also reduce stress levels and improve mental health. Furthermore, gardening can lead to a greater appreciation and understanding of where our food comes from, which can encourage healthier eating habits. In addition to the health benefits, home gardening can also benefit the environment. By growing your own food, you can reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Home gardening also provides a habitat for beneficial insects, such as bees and butterflies, which are crucial to pollination. Finally, home gardening can be a rewarding and fulfilling hobby. It allows you to connect with nature, learn new skills, and experience the satisfaction of growing your own food. Whether you have a large backyard or just a small balcony, there are plenty of options for starting your own garden. In conclusion, home gardening has numerous benefits for both you and the environment. So why not start your own garden today and reap the rewards?